Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share a super easy and budget-friendly DIY press-on nails tutorial with you. I've always loved the look of manicure nails, but I don't always have the time and patience to go to the nail salon. That's where press-on nails come in very handy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply press-on nails at home. And here I've already picked up my press-on nails in my desired shape and size. So step 1, you want to prepare your nails by cleaning and filing your nails to remove any old polish. Then use a cuticle pusher to gently push back your cuticles. And here's a little tip to ensure your nails could last you up to a month. Just file the insides of your press-ons with your nail machine before adding glue and applying them to your nails. Choose the right size. Select a press-on nail that fits your nail perfectly. Apply a thin layer of nail glue to the back of the nail. Carefully press the press-on nail onto your natural nail, starting at the base and pressing down towards the tip. Once your nail is secure, trim off the excess nail with a nail file. Apply a thin layer of clear nail polish, and that's it. You've got beautiful salon quality nails in no time. You can certainly just leave them right here and add some clear nail polish on top to finish it off, but I kind of want to go a little bit further and add some designs. So I'm going to use this nail here as inspiration. I wanted to add this particular nail, but the bed of the nail was a bit too big for my fingers, so I'm going to try my best to mimic this design using these nail art stones that I got with my nail machine. So I'm just going to look for a couple pieces that look similar to this design and add them to my nails. Now remember, I'm not a pro, so just bear with me. So what I'm doing here, I'm using a little bit of the glue along with the top coat as adhesive to hold the nail designs onto my nail. Then after I'm all done, I'm just going to apply some top coat to finish off the nails. Then I'm just going to put my hands under this nail lamp for a few seconds to speed up the drying process. Now I'm using some acetone just to help clean up the edges. You could also just use some nail polish remover if that's what you have on hand. And some cuticle oil around my cuticles so they're not looking dry and crusty. If you're interested in getting the press-on nails and products that I used in this video, all links will be provided in the description. And there you have it. Yes, one of the designs on the press-on is a bit crooked, but don't let that discourage you. I'm no professional, but with a little practice, you and I will soon become press-on nails pros. I hope you enjoyed this DIY press-on nails tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle tips.